my channel That Should Be Chick, and today we're gonna talk about the famous brand known as Mama Earth. And yeah, I bought two products from them recently, and it was the first time I was purchasing anything. Like, I would like to tell you all the story behind a little short story. What happened was that मेरे को फोन पे मैसेज आया एक दिन कि यू आर गेटिंग 1+1 ऑन ममा अर्थ प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड उसी टाइम मतलब उसी टाइम के आसपास मेरे घर पे सब सामान खत्म हो गया था. लाइक स्क्रब भी खत्म, कंडीशनर भी खत्म, सब कुछ ही खत्म था ऑलमोस्ट. फेस वॉश भी खत्म था. हाँ, तो आई डिसाइडेड कि चलो मतलब 1+1 इज अ ह्यूज ऑफर. एंड मैंने चेक भी किया तो अच्छा खासा, मतलब कोई एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस नहीं. So I got like really excited and I ordered one Upton scrub and one hair conditioner, onion hair conditioner, and now I'm gonna review both of them. Here I'll be inserting a clip of washing my face with this Upton scrub, and I love the effect. Clearly I love the effect. So yeah guys, it makes your skin smooth and moisturize and does not like dry out completely. And इसके जो particles हैं, those are not at all like, वो होते हैं ना harsh, कुछ चीजों के particle होते हैं harsh, like वो बहुत चुभते हैं, they irritate the skin kind of, but this did not irritate my skin at all. And my skin type is actually sensitive and dry skin, so बहुत सोच समझ के मैं scrub choose करती हूँ, और ये बहुत अच्छा है. Like it won't irritate your skin at all. So yeah, this was so I would suggest you all to, obviously अगर आप लोगों की भी dry skin है, मेरी तो dry है, so if you all also have a dry skin type, then you must go for this Upton scrub for sure. Mama Earth Upton scrub, I will recommend it and I will give it a 10 on 10. So guys, now talking about the next item that I have from Mama Earth, it's none other than the onion hair conditioner from Mama Earth. And the only reason why I went for the onion variant out of all the variants that Mama Earth has on its website for conditioners was that the only conditioner that had written on it that it controls frizz was this one. And I am a person with a hair type which needs a frizz control conditioner and shampoo, क्योंकि मेरे बाल are like frizzy and curly at the same time, so मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है उनको handle करना. So first of all, talking about all the advantages that I feel that this conditioner has. Number one, it has a huge quantity. It has provided a huge quantity in 369 rupees. Like मेरे को तो उससे भी आधे का पड़ा. इतनी quantity within like 170 or 80 is like commendable conditioner. वो भी नहीं मिलता है. So yeah guys, and second being the second advantage that I see in this is that it really, like mark my words, it really controls the frizz. And I loved like the after the first application I loved it क्योंकि actually my frizz काफी control लग रहा है मुझे. और yeah, it also, third being, it also moisturizes your hair quite well. It says hair fall control, so I cannot tell that in just one use. I will gradually use it and then share my review whether it controls hair fall or whether it does not. So yeah. And talking about the negatives, negative में मेरे पास एक ही बात है जो मेरे को बहुत अजीब लगी, क्योंकि कंडीशनर का काम ही होता है to make your hair silky and smooth and like I don't know how to explain, like soft to touch. Conditioner का काम ही यही होता है, but when after my first use, I don't know what's the reason, I couldn't like touch my hair and feel and say that it is soft or it is like मतलब सॉफ्ट सिल्की स्मूथ नहीं बोलूंगी मैं अपने बालों को कंडीशनर को यूज करने के बाद फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. सो मे बी हो सकता है कि मेरे ही बाल बहुत डैमेज हो गए हों, क्योंकि मैं जहाँ घूम कर आई थी करनाल, तो वहां पे मैंने अपने मस्त खेतों में बाल उड़ाए थे. सो मे बी दैट इज वाई मेरे बाल बहुत ही ज्यादा लाइक आई शुड से डैमेज थे कि वो एक यूज में ठीक नहीं कर पाया. एंड आई विल अपडेट यू ऑल अबाउट लाइक आफ्टर 2-3 यूजेज, आई विल अपडेट यू ऑल अबाउट दिस कंडीशनर on my Instagram for sure. If you also want to know what happens after using it for 2 to 3 days, then you need to follow me on my Instagram. The link is in the description box and here's the username. So yeah guys, and for now I just bought these two because I didn't want it to take a risk, and second, this was such a great deal and I was happy with two products itself. Talking about is this brand worth the hype, if I would say like about the Upton scrub, yes it is. Yes, completely, definitely it is. And talking about the hair conditioner, I am 50-50, like on 10 I would rate it like 7, क्योंकि 3 points just for not making my hair look like soft and smooth and silky, जो इसे करना चाहिए था क्योंकि हर कंडीशनर करता है. So I don't know, the hype is worth it when it comes to like the facial products, I guess, and the hype is okay-ish when it comes to the hair care products. According to me, I think this. And if you want like me to try more products of Mama Earth, do comment down below which one do you want me to review. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Also, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सूचना है आप लोगों के लिए, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. यू मस्ट हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन below and turn the black thumb below. Also, do not forget to comment down below. Bye bye.